Greetings, dear friends. Tara Brabazon here. Oh, I'm excited. 2024. Yeah. 2025, let's make it better. But to make something better, you can't just hope for it or wish for it. Life is not a Disney movie. So, together and once more, it is that time of the year for our Whiteboard soiree. Yes, on the 20th of December, that is this coming Friday at 10 a.m. Aotearoa New Zealand time. Other time zones are available, but at 10 a.m. in New Zealand time on the 20th of December, we will be running the Whiteboard soiree. So you'll see the links for this free event that's available on Zoom. But what I'd like you to do is get yourself a big bit of paper. Even better, get yourself a whiteboard and wipe it down, and let's plan your writing. Let's plan your research for 2025. Let's be the change that we want to see. Yep. And let's change the world. One word, one sentence, and one paragraph at a time. Let's join together and make a change. See you on Friday.